Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei GT4 to an Android phone. First, ensure your Huawei GT4 is fully charged and powered on. Next, you will need to download the Huawei Health application. Since it may not be available on the Google Play Store, download it from Huawei's App Gallery. Once installed, enable Bluetooth on your Android phone and open the Huawei Health app. Log in with your Huawei ID or create a new one if needed. Now let's pair your devices. Within the Huawei Health app, navigate to the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom. Tap on Add Device to begin the search. You will then select smartwatches and locate the Huawei Watch GT series. Confirm your specific Huawei GT4 model from the options, then tap Pair. Your phone will now scan for nearby devices. Select your Huawei GT4 from the list that appears. Once you select your watch, a pairing request will appear on both your Android phone and your Huawei GT4. Confirm this request on both devices. It is crucial to grant all necessary permissions to the Huawei Health app, including access to notifications, contacts, and location data, to ensure full functionality. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to finalize the setup process, which typically takes only a few moments. If you encounter any issues during the pairing process, don't worry. A common solution is to restart both your Huawei GT4 and your Android phone. Always ensure that your Huawei Health app is updated to its very latest version, as this often resolves connectivity problems. Double-check that your phone's operating system is compatible. Finally, keep your Huawei GT4 and Android phone close to each other, ideally within 1 meter, throughout the entire pairing procedure for a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.